Today, we're doing some campfire cooking, and we're starting with the classic: peppers, onions, and T-bone steak over a smoky bed of coals. Now, I don't know what it is about cooking over an open flame, but it's just downright delicious. It could be the extra work you put in, it could be the smoke, it could be the fact that you're in the middle of the woods enjoying yourself. But whatever it is, for those of you who know, you know, it is just that good.